just four chords. E minor starts with E minor, and that's the first section. D ninth, and the second section is E minor ninth and D major ninth, kind of like a major seventh, and that's everything's on the second fret. First part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There was plants and birds, and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rings. Oh, the first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and sky with no clouds. Ooh, the heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. Come on, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, who can remember your name? There ain't no one to give you no pain. La 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 la. Ooh, la 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 la. After 2 days in the desert, fun I was sky, my skin began to turn red. After 3 days in the desert, fun, yet I was looking at a riverbed. The story told of the river that flowed made me sad to think it was dead. Oh, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, who can remember your name? There ain't no one to give you no pain. La la, so easy it's hard. La 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 la. Ooh, after 9 days, you know I let the horse run free, 'cause the desert turned to sea. Oh yeah, after an ocean, the desert with the life underground, with the perfect skies above. Under the sea, little heart made of ground, but the humans will give no love. La la